Good morning students and welcome back to our standard 2 math class. Today I am going to start that one is your chapter 5 of your math magic book what? Today I will discuss with you and our topic name is, tell me students what? That is your patterns. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed patterns. So tell me students, what do you mean by patterns? Any shapes or figures or any numbers which one is repeated in a definite sequence, okay, that one is known as your patterns. Okay, so I have also shown you some examples of that one. Then next, and you have seen your mother sari and also your floor tiles have you seen at your home or not? So that one also one type of pattern, because one is repeated after another. Okay, so like your chessboard yesterday I told also, that one also is repeated black and white. Okay, so that is known as your pattern. Okay, so today we will discuss, you just all of you take out your math magic book, that is chapter 5, that one is known as your what? Patterns, right? So let us first see what is given. Binny and Ginny were going home. On the way, they saw some people making the pavements. Pavement, you know students, they are making the road pavements. So the tiles used were of different colors and is your design, and also you have seen in temples also that one, in your house, everywhere they are making is your tiles to make is your different types of design. Okay, so this is what they saw. Now you see Binny and your Ginny, they have seen like this type of. Okay, now on reaching home they saw their mother's sari hanging on a rope. Okay, because you see this one, you see this is one print, this one is you see repeated this pattern, you see one leaf, two leaf, here is two leaf, here also two leaf, here also two leaf, here also two leaf. Okay, now dot, here three dots and also here three dots, like this whole sari is printed. Okay, so and now your work is, you will also see in your home, that is your mother's sari, and what are the different types of pattern you have seen in your daily life, that you just make a list. Okay, so now it also had a nice design with different colors. So in the evening they were playing in a park. They saw iron grills on the boundary wall. Okay, then you see, then looking at the grills, Binny said, these same grills make a different pattern in our window at home. Yes, this one also I have seen in my home also, and this grill is repeated. Okay, then now you see this one. We saw many such patterns around us on tile, on cloths, and is your one jewelries. Now Bholu you see, Bholu is what? Bholu is a mouse, you see. Bholu has eaten a part of shawl of Binny's mother. Okay, then look at the picture and help Binny in matching which piece of the same pattern. So now tell me students, here you see Bholu has taken this much part, and which is the same you see. Here is your 4 dots are given, here also 4 is given, 4 diamond, and here also 4 given, but you see this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, this is not possible. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one also not possible. Then now you see, next you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one also not possible. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now tell me students, which one is the correct piece to make it a complete shawl? Okay, this one, no, cross. This one, no, this one is just give cross. This one, no, this one also give cross. This one is the correct shawl. Okay, this one is the correct shawl and this one is the correct piece. When you will join this one, and it will make a complete shawl. Okay, now you come to our next page. See what written, Madhav wants to make a pattern on the grill using this. Understood? Using is your this. Can you guess which of these cannot be formed using by this one? Can you guess which one? You see, can you guess which of these cannot be formed with this? Now tell me students, you tell me what it will be. You just look at the figure carefully. This one is possible. By looking this, yes, this one is possible. Understood? This one is possible. Here written cannot be formed. Cannot be formed means this one we will cannot be formed. So tell me students yourself, which one is cannot be formed? Which one cannot be formed by using this pattern? Using this pattern, which one is cannot form? This one is possible, and that one, your one, you will find. I will not tell. You just tell me which one is not possible by using this pattern. Okay, so I want to that one is, this one is not possible by using this pattern. Now fill up the blank spaces to complete the pattern. Now you see students, here is your different colors. One is your pink color, yellow color, pink color, yellow color, pink color, yellow color. Next is your pink color. Okay, last, because pink color starts, pink color also, and here is one is your, you see, this one is one color, this is another color, this one is one color, this is another. You see, here is one triangle, it is forming. Okay, so now you come to our, which one is not given students. Be ready with your colors. This one is your pink color, next is your yellow color, next is your pink color, then we'll give which color? Yellow color, next is your pink color, next is your yellow color, next is your pink color. Okay, now next you start, you see, this is your triangle. Two triangles are done here. This one is which color you give? Yes, that one is your green color, or that one green leaf green color will give, and here also you just make one line, and this one you just make one line, this one also you just make one line. This will be easy for you to give the color. Then the last you see, this is your pink, this is your yellow, this is your pink, this is, you see, right, this is your yellow, this is your pink, this is your yellow, this is your pink, this is your yellow, this is your pink. So complete. Our picture is, our color is totally complete. Okay, so now you just see, next is given leafy patterns. Leafy patterns means, see, using one leaf we can make different patterns. So these 5 leafy patterns you see, one is just one, you see, up is given, one down, one up is given, one down, then is your up, because it starts with up and ends with is also up. Now you see, this one is your one up is given, and another is your straight to that side, is your which side? Right side we can say. Like this also you see. Then here is your another leaf pattern you see, and this one also, and all of you just do this leaf patterns and in your copy. Okay, and this all the leaf patterns. Now you also make some pattern with arrows in your notebook. You see, one is arrow is given. Okay, like this. So tell me students, what patterns we can make by using? One is your up arrow, another is your down arrow, another is your up arrow, another is your down arrow, then another is your up arrow, this one is your down arrow. This is one pattern. Now we can do also 2 at a time we can take, and 2 down also we can do. This is also another pattern. Okay, so that one means it is repeated in a sequence, and that one, and by following also some rule, that's why it is known as your pattern, right? This is another pattern. Now tell me students, what you can make by using this arrow mark. Complete. Now next another pattern we will make. Let us see by using arrow mark. This is I have done. Then I can do also like this. Okay, then this one I have done, then I can do also, this is another pattern. So it depends upon you. You can make how much pattern by using this arrow mark. Okay, so that is your work you will do at your home. Next hour, see, look at the patterns and fill up the boxes. Okay, so now you see students, we will do, see, first is given, you see, in a circle, which color? Red color. Next is your one square is given. Next that one is also which color? Another is your green color. So same pattern we will follow in this. You see, which one is first circle, then square, first circle, then square. Then you will write what this one? Yes, that one will do circle, then square, then circle, then square. Understood? This is your pattern because it is repeated after some time, or these are the shapes. Shapes are repeated in a definite rule. Okay, so now you see students, all are up up arrow is given. So which 4 boxes is given? So we have to make, you see, that one is another 4 because 4 boxes is given. 1, this one is 2, and this one is your 3, and this one is your 4. Okay, so you have to complete by using this one. Next you see, first is 1 dot given, second is your 2 dot given, third is your third box 3 dot given, then next is given, you see, only 1 dot. Now students tell me what I'll do. Yes, next it will repeated 2 dots, next it will repeated how many dots? 3 dots. Like this it will repeated in the next figure also, right? Now you see another is given, we will do next figure. What is given? You see students, 1, 2 arrow mark is given, right? In next figure, 2 up arrow, another is your 2 down arrow. Now tell me students, what I'll do? Yes, this one is your up arrow and this one is your down arrow. Then this one is your up arrow I will do. Next is your down arrow. So like this the picture will be, the arrow will be repeated after some figures. Okay, next is your, you see, 1 triangle, reverse triangle is given. Okay, this one. Next is your 2 dots. Okay, next is your, you see, this is your triangle is given. Now student tell me what I'll do. Yes, 2 dots, then I'll do another. Understood? Next I'll do 2 dots, then I'll do triangle. So like this it will be repeated, right? Okay, next is given your figure. Next, so see, now like this also given, you see. Next, in next figure it is divided. Here is one color is given, here also another color is given. Now you see, next is your full color is given here. Next is your repeated, it will be, now you put, and here one color you give and here another color you give. That one is, you just said. Okay, which color you have to give by you looking your pictures, you have to do. Next is your, you see, one semicircle is given, you see, this is your half. Then this one is like this given. Now again it will be repeated. Then this one will be like this. So you see, this is your half and this is your reverse, and this one is your full half, and this one also reverse semicircle is given. So now students, you just look at your book and you have to fill in the boxes at your home yourself, and already I have discussed with you. Now you also make patterns using different shapes and show them to your friends. That is your work, you have to do at your home. For today only we have discussed the book work, and how much I have discussed with you we will practice at your home. Okay, so keep learning, keep revising and keep practicing at your home, and make a list of different patterns what you have seen in your daily life. So for today, thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.